I'm gonna start the video up, man. He just moved. I just politely honk my horn, see if I can move up. Some people really be acting like they can't do you a solid favor, bro. Anyways, YouTube, how y'all doing, man? Again, I want to say thank y'all for the likes, comments, and the subscribers. I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart, y'all. We on the road to 500. I know it's a little stretch. My birthday is October 11th. So if you know somebody who like cars, like Mopar, just like some good YouTube content, please send that video over or send that channel link over. And I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers before my birthday. I know it's a little stretch. My birthday October 11th, y'all. I know it's a little stretch, but if y'all can, we at about like 85 right now. If all 85 of y'all could send it to 2 people, and they could send it to a person, we'll be good. We'll hit our goal. Yeah, I'm about to just give y'all a little. I'm on my way back to work. Give y'all a little POV. I ain't gonna cut up. I'm just cooling for real. And in the comments, let me know what y'all want to see, man. Don't just subscribe. Be active. I talk back. I comment back. If I don't reply within an hour, I'm probably gonna reply within a day. But I'm definitely gonna reply to y'all back. I love the feedback. Love the comments. And man, just pitch out some ideas. I'm 27, so I ain't no youngin', so I'm not really into the pits and all that. And it's no all-wheel drive. I'm not popping the fuse, turning the traction off, none of that. Cool, man. You might get some cutting up videos. Well, I mostly be with my family, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rapping, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this POV content once I get out of traffic. This traffic, man. It's 1:25 in the afternoon. Typical DMV for you. Yeah, I know y'all seen that video on TikTok on how traffic is formed, but I don't understand why. Like, if there's no accident, why? Like, is it some random person in the front and just doing this on purpose? Do people get paid to hold up traffic so people don't get where they need to go on time? I don't understand it. I'm late for work, y'all. Turn this off. Like, oh, it turned on by itself. See, if y'all turn me up, man, I wouldn't even have to be going to work right now, man. Bless me so I can bless others. I swear to God. I'm telling you. I get on, I'm putting people on. We're not even doing no raffles, bro. I'm picking one of y'all once a year. I'm giving y'all a car. We're not doing no $5 a ticket, $10, $20 entries, none of that. If you're one of my subscribers from day one and I get on, I'm telling you, y'all gonna be blessed, bro. I'm gonna be giving away things, bro. I'm not about to do no raffle. I know that bring a lot of money. That's how a lot of YouTubers make their money, their extra money. But nah, man, y'all did enough. By just watching my videos, I really, truly appreciate it. Charger up here, I mean a Challenger. 12 up here too. Ooh. 2 of them. Give me a flyby. Nothing. Yeah, I was driving, coming home from work yesterday. Rock on the highway hit my windshield. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Let's see if I can zoom up. Y'all see that right there? If I get some more ideas, I'm gonna start dropping daily videos for y'all. Alright, y'all, with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all when I leave work. Hopefully we get y'all some good content when I get off, man. But again, thank y'all, I appreciate it. Alright, y'all, I just got off work. And they got the two-tone Cybertruck right there, y'all. Y'all want me a Cybertruck, them just look so sweet. I just got finished work, on my way home. We got this Thursday night football game tonight. Cowboys versus, dang, who the Cowboys play? Forgot. I think the Giants. Cowboys with the Giants. NFC East matchup. Shout out to the Commanders for a big win on Monday night. Jaden Daniels, you did your thing. Rookie of the year. I love to see it. I don't like Terry McLaurin. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I do not mess with Terry. We need another wide receiver 1. Even though everybody loves Terry, I just don't like Terry, man. I don't feel like he's a wide receiver 1. If he go to any other team, I don't feel like he's a wide receiver 1. Just feel like that because he's on the Commanders. That's all. Yeah, I'm not on the highway. I had to run to the bank. So I'm on the back roads right now. little cemetery right here. You ain't go to toll jump. You want to get on the highway from right here, you can. But we just about to go all the way up Baltimore Avenue. Straight up Baltimore Avenue. I'm gonna cut this back on when I get out of this little traffic. Hey y'all, we passing the tire shop. Hey, but if y'all from the DMV area and y'all need y'all tires, or y'all need some used tires, new tires, it don't matter. Don't go to that joint right there. I repeat, do not go to that joint right there. Where you need to go is Sam's Tires. Sam's Tires on Baltimore Avenue. Great people, great prices. I know it's right here somewhere. No, I ain't passed it. I think I passed it, y'all. Did I pass it? Is this it right here? Yeah, this it right here. Sam's Tires, y'all. Right here. Make sure y'all come up here. Y'all need any tires. Good people. That Peruvian chicken smell good, y'all. Y'all comment down below if y'all love Peruvian chicken, man. Because I love Peruvian chicken. Bro, I think I'm supposed to be like in heart, I really think like I'm supposed to be Migo, bro. I love everything about that culture, bro. Like everything. The food, tequila, how family oriented y'all are, like everything, bro. I really think I'm supposed to be Migo, bro. I'm rapping. I see this traffic though. Alright, YouTube, it is a little bit later, got a little dark outside. Hopefully there's no traffic on this highway. So it is Thursday. What is it? September 20 something. Cowboys playing the Giants. Cowboys play the Giants tonight. Daniel Jones is 1 for 12 primetime games. I just seen a post on the gram. But is that what Vegas wants you to think? And Dallas been having pretty bad luck out there on the field. Yo!